Yo, what is going on? It is Thursday, July 30th, 10:41 a.m. Today honestly was not the best day. Really thought we were going to end up dumping, but in reality, we just fucking pumped to the moon. Very frustrating because I also set a long-term buy. I had set a limit at a weekly gap for actual investments, and then we do this. Fucking great. But as for today, there was this 30-second gap tagging this 15-minute. But why didn't I take it? I was bearish. Look at this. Look at all of this LR just built up. All of this LR just built up. All of it, all of it, all of it. I wanted to short towards all of this. I honestly was looking more towards this 30-second gap, going break even at this 1 hour, targeting equal lows that are like, are these equal lows? Yeah, those equal lows. I was bearish as fuck today. All of this LR. And then right here, to me, it's more of a pattern trade than anything. You're getting the AMD, you manipulate into a 15-minute gap, you get a 30-second gap. But what do we have? We have a 30-minute gap resting just below it. Did we hit like EQ of anything? Let's double check that. Let's see if we hit like EQ of this range. Yeah, we hit EQ, OTE of this range. Well, golden pocket of this range. I just would have rather seen it get into the 30, leave this gap, and then we fly up. Or if even if 930 high had been here, or if there was equal highs here, then I would have been more enticed to maybe take it. Because technically we are in bullish order flow, but there's just so much low resistance right here. And on the higher time frame, we're still entirely bearish, which let's see if we're going to get a rebalance of anything so that we can continue lower, because I need us to continue lower. OTE, so let's start dumping down. Let's hit this 4 hour and start dumping down. Higher time frame wise. So yeah. Then we just flew, not a single bearish candle in sight. And then right here was the other entry that was the only issue why I didn't take this one as well. Previous day high was above, so that's a good draw on liquidity, yes. Look at where our stop loss would have been. Our stop loss would have been a 5-minute. Stop loss would have been a 5-minute. It would have been this gap right here. So we would have market, because I'm market order now, because I ain't a bitch. So I would have market ordered, and I would have been targeting like right up here. Stop loss would have been right here. I know myself. Probably would have honestly stop loss. Would have gotten break even probably. Let me see. 1.5. Yeah, I would have gone break even. Would have gone break even on this trade. But the reason I did not take it is because again, stop loss was a 5-minute basically. The 5-minute had just opened up, and I was more convicted that we would probably use this gap to push lower. And even when we still inverted, I was not confident at all in this trade. I was not confident at all in this trade. Then after that, man, look at this. Like, there's nothing in here. Like, this would have been a shitty ass just inverse to inverse. I was looking for maybe, just maybe, like, maybe something off of this 5-minute to this 15-minute. Never got it. Something off of this 4 hour. Oh, this is the exact trade I was looking for. Right here. Oh, but ES took it. I'm gonna say, but I wanted us to hit this 4 hour and then take these 5-minute and equal lows. This was the other trade, but I needed us to hit the 4 hour and then immediately react off to get this inverse. We never got that, and we were just accumulating. See if this ends up delivering. Well, this gap is from all the way the fuck over here. So yeah, that's why I didn't end up taking anything. I want us to dump lower so that I can get my long-term investment limit filled and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, with that being said, no trades out of me today. We did, oh, forgot to mention, yesterday took a trade on PM, took another payout. It's nice to finally see it all come into fruition. Would have been in right here, by the way. Would have been in right here. It's nice to finally see it all piecing together, and I just need to continue to work and build. I did lose $50 on my funded futures account because of some bullshit, because I had my copy trader open and it's not the lead account, so it auto closed it. Bullshit. Yeah, it would have been another $500 on that account, but of course it did some bullshit. This trade probably is gonna play out. I would have been break even. Yeah, probably just would have went B because we swept this internal low. We're SMT'd. But yeah, that's the update. Nothing again today. Peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in.